Sri Ganeshana of Ramanashramam was visiting Bhagwan. Sri Ganeshana often used to go to Bhagwan, a Channadi street house. For some time he was feeling very tired and dull, and there was even this giddiness. So when he came and sat, Bhagwan asked him what was wrong with him. Ganeshana replied, he was suffering from low BP. Immediately Bhagwan suggested, take a cup of buttermilk, Ganesha. Every day, without fail, you must take a cup of buttermilk, and that will solve your problem. So Sri Ganeshana began to take and felt free from the suffering. A VIP friend of his was a frequent visitor to Ramanashram and to Swami also, came to know about this treatment of Bhagwan, this particular disease. So when he visited Ganeshana, he said, I have a high BP problem. Please take me to Swami and let us put it before him. He will definitely give me some solution also. So both of them visited and they were seated in front of Bhagwan. Bhagwan welcomed them nicely. And when they were seated, this VIP, he was very popular in the cinema industries. He was gesturing to Ganeshana to ask. He could not bring himself to ask, so he asked Ganeshana to put it before Bhagwan. So Ganeshana started, Swami, this friend of mine here is suffering from high BP. Please do something. Swami said, pat came the reply from Bhagwan. Ganesha, ask him to take a cup of buttermilk. Ganeshana himself doubted if he heard it right, because for his low BP, Swami suggested a cup of buttermilk. Now this man is suffering from high BP and he was suggesting the same treatment. And the other man decided Swami did not hear it properly, so he gestured to Ganeshana again to put it before him. Sri Ganeshana raised his voice a little and said, Swami, he is suffering from high BP, Swami. Oh, Ganesha, ask him to take a cup of buttermilk. He will be all right. Again, the visitor felt that Swami did not hear it properly and Ganeshana did not raise his voice enough. So he looked at him and gestured to say it again much more loudly. Ganeshana knew by then that Swami was playing a leela and he was feeling a little odd about asking again, but then he decided for the sake of his friend, Swami, my friend here is suffering from high BP, Swami. Oh, Ganesha, ask him to take a cup of buttermilk. He will be all right. Swami also raised his voice and suggested the same thing again. And then both of them knew instantly that Bhagwan was saying it deliberately. And that was the medicine for both. And then Swami smiled and added, Ganesha, it is not in the cup of buttermilk, Ganesha. They prostrated before him. They understood. And they felt bad that they tried it out like this. Instead of accepting whatever he said the first time, they pushed ahead because they doubted. So you see, a Mahatma, a Shaktiman, who is all powerful, there is nothing that he cannot do. There is no place where he is not. There is nothing he does not know. So, this Shaktiman, all pervasive, all knowing, all powerful Shaktiman, the Shakti is with him, not with the things. It is they, it is God, it is God's power that enters these things and makes these things work. So knowing that it is Bhagavan who is the real medicine for all ills of our body and mind, we shall appeal to his boundless compassion. Bhagavan